Well, I'm over here at one of my friends' house. They're having the stopper quit working, and so we're going to replace the well, let me show you on top first. He went out and got one of these things, but it doesn't stop the water from running out when she needs some water inside the sink. And the thing back here doesn't work at all. It broke. Even though it's hooked up back here, it doesn't do anything. So now what we're going to have to do, we're going to replace this part here, and we're putting in part here, lock it down, raise it up. But I'll tell you what I like about this one is that when it starts getting slow draining, you can, if I can get it out, one hand here, you can take it out, clean it out, stick it right back in there, and then screw it right back down, because it's going to catch all the hair and anything else is going to go down in there that these ladies use to stop up the sink, or the drain, I guess I should say. But anyway, alright, so this is going there. So alright, that should catch whatever we might lose, because I got a feeling if we have to take this part out, we are going to lose some water. P-trap anyway. Yeah, it's full of a bunch of junk. We'll have to loosen that up, and then we've got to unscrew this. Just however you can grab a hold of it. The nice thing about plastic, it doesn't rust up. Metal, I would be under there with a Sawzall. Okay, now we got to take this out. So what we have to do is take this nut off. Okay, and then work this loose and then push it up. Okay, now we pushed it up. Yeah, we've got it loose. Now let's get on the top side. Okay, we've got to pull this thing up. You can pull this out of there. You don't necessarily need that in there anyway. Okay, and then this is where you're going to probably need a little help, because you need to turn this up here and somebody holds the bottom, unless you can do it. And normally they're just finger tight anyway. Then of course that's it. It's out. Now we got to clean all that up. And we got to make sure this is halfway clean under here. This doesn't. This one here goes in a lot different. It goes in, the whole thing goes in from the top. So we take this off, take the bottom washer off. They claim you can use this rubber one for the top, even though I don't particularly like it, but we're going to try it. I don't know if I want to try it or not. Well, we'll try it. Okay, I'm going to drop that in there, just like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to check, put this here and then check to see if it's going to work here, which it is. It won't quite be long enough to where I don't need this, because I will. So, yep, it's going to work. So, get a bottom washer. And we need our stuff that goes on the bottom. Keep tightening it up. Now, one thing, you don't want to use pliers to tighten this up, because if you do, it's liable to break the top part. So just get it as hand tight as much as you can. Okay. You need that, and then you need this. Okay, you want to keep this loose because you're going to have to move it around. Okay, this goes up here. Tighten this one up. Again, this is the same thing. Hand tight only. Okay. Now, this one. Push that up on there. There it goes. This is the second one you want to tighten up. And this is the third one you want to tighten up. Okay, once you get everything on there and you get it tight as you can with your hand, turn the water on, see if we got any leaks. Don't see nothing dripping. I know some of you are already complaining about that being black, but once you screw this in there, you don't really see it anymore. Now you can get them with a chrome finish on there. Okay, let's screw that in there, tighten that up. Let's see if it'll fill up full of water. Okay, and if you've got a pencil or something, you can put a mark back here, but you'll be able to tell in just a few seconds if it's holding or not. And then if it's not holding, well then you may have to go get another piece, but this seems to be holding fine. And raise that up. And we're pretty much done. Okay, I'm going to clean this with some soap and water and let her know I'm done. And let's see. Still no leak. Alrighty, we're done. We'll let her know if it's clean, and then she may just want me to put this stuff back under there. Well, the stuff I use to clean underneath the sink, Comet. We're done. Still no leaks. I'm sure don't want to forget about the top side of the sink. Take it out. This is the hair catcher right there. Okay,